here at the Flamingo Pen here at Washington, where we have our 59 Chilean flamingos behind me. It's quite an exciting time for the flamingos at the moment because we've got our first egg in 4 years. Now, we think the main reason for that is that the weather has actually been perfect for nest building. So there's been quite a bit of rain, which means that the mud that they sit on to build their nests has been very moldable. It's wet enough that they can build their mud towers. But in combination with that, we've had quite a lot of sunshine like it is this morning. And the sunshine is really important for the chick's development because UV is required to make those legs nice and strong. We've got the only solar-powered flamingo house in Europe. So what we do is over the winter we shut them away if it's particularly icy or windy in that pond. And it means that while they're in there we can keep them warm and we can also give them the vital UV that they need. Behind me right now there's a lot of activity going on. There's a little bit of competition between the unbonded pairs, a little bit of pushing, a little bit of fighting. There's a lot of flirting going on, so there's a lot of wing displays going on, a lot of head flagging. But that's all really exciting stuff because it really gets them in the mood to lay their eggs. When we see an egg over there, we go and we swap it with a fake one. We'll take it up to the duckery, put it in an incubator. That does everything Mum and Dad would do. They start to croak when they're ready to hatch. So basically what we do is if an egg is starting to make some noise, we'll bring it back, we'll swap it over again, and Mum and Dad can hatch their own egg. The chicks will be raised by Mum and Dad here, and both parents have to produce their food to feed it. It's called crop milk, and they produce it at the back of the throat, and they just trickle that into the flamingoling, as we like to call them's beak. So we're quite hopeful that this is going to be a continuing success of the flock now. Once they've got that first egg, like I said, it really does kickstart the breeding, and it's much easier to get them breeding if they bred the year before.